Welcome to Fluid Health and Fitness, your professional source for biomechanics and pain-free movement. Hi, my name is Ryan Maxwell, and I'm the founder and CEO of Fluid Health and Fitness. I'm a certified personal trainer and certified corrective exercise specialist. I've been working in the field now for over 10 years, and it's my passion to help people find relief from pain through corrective movement. Hundreds of thousands of people suffer every day from chronic pain and are in a never-ending search for relief. They've tried chiropractors, physical therapy, massage therapy, acupuncture, NSAIDs, you name it, anything to feel better, but the pain always comes back like it did for these folks.
The problem I was trying to solve with Fluid Health and Fitness is severe SI joint pain. It was chronic all day, all night, and nothing I was doing exercise-wise was helping me, and this was where I came to try to fix that.
The good news is my team of doctors, of physical therapy, and corrective exercise specialists have developed our own evidence-based system that will relieve your pain and restore your movement quality, taking out the complicated process of figuring out what works to see actual change from your body. After the proprietary movement analysis, we create an individual training regime combined with weekly video exercise tutorials and live virtual classes to give you the best physical coursework for your body. The process starts with understanding that the human body is an interconnected chain. Each link depends on the others to do their job properly in everyday movement so that we can operate optimally. When one of those links moves incorrectly, it'll translate up and down the chain, setting off a host of misaligned movements along its path, which then creates an increased risk for injury and patterns of movement dysfunction. So now that you understand how incorrect posture and movement affects the entire body, I can better explain our approach. We begin with a virtual, comprehensive movement analysis where we guide you through simple, specific exercises and 3 planes of movement to see how your joints are functioning. Once the analysis is complete, we'll go over the results in detail to help you understand why you're experiencing pain. That then allows us to create an individualized plan to help fix your issues and restore your movement quality.
The biggest thing is the fascia release. The other was the technical explanation of how your body and muscles should work, and really kind of the whole focus on the core, on the way your stride, your gait, how your hips should be. It's just nobody else around kind of really teaches that kind of methodology and exercise today. So it's really good.
Not only will we get rid of your pain, we'll teach you how to move and maintain your body so you can remain pain-free the rest of your life. However, it does require your dedication to understanding and learning about your own body and a commitment to long-term goals. We'll give you the solution, provide the resources, teach you the science behind the issues, and show you how to maintain and restore your body, but you have to commit to doing the work.
There's no place like it. I mean, I come here and I get it all for my body. It's just really efficient. I've learned a lot about the muscles, I've learned about the diet, I've learned about how you should live your life as far as the emotion and the stress and all those things. It's just all one package right here.
Our philosophy at Fluid Health and Fitness is know better, feel better, move better. You've taken the first step in knowing better, now take it to the next level and find out what distortion patterns are the culprits behind your real pain. The discovery call and the movement analysis are complementary, so there's nothing to lose except that never-ending cycle of pain. Click on the link in the video description to schedule a short 15-minute discovery call so we can learn more about you. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to work with you.